the first stock idea we have for today is UEM Agenda Berhad. So the stock actually has recently made an interesting move, as on 27th of February it made a strong gap up with high volume, and the price almost breached the 200-day EMA, but then it didn't. But just recently, which was yesterday, it managed to breach above the 200-day EMA, which has pushed the price back above all key moving average lines. So this is a good sign that its previous correction from January 2025 high might have ended. We believe price might actually maintain its position above the 200-day EMA, given that the RSI is showing a fresh uptick and not yet in the overbought territory. And if you look at the MACD reading, it is also sloping upward and nearing its positive reading, which is a good sign that buying momentum could persist. Additionally, if you look at the moving average lines, the 21-day EMA is on the verge of crossing above the 50-day EMA. It is a sign that the short-term sentiment is bullish, and if the crossover could happen, we believe it could actually trade higher and might test our next resistance at 0.865. Next stock idea for this morning we'll have is Silver Ridge Holdings Berhad. So the stock has been in an uptrend as it keeps trading within the uptrend channel. So its previous correction actually has been kept at the 50-day EMA, as the price has found support on that line, and price has rebounded since then. Price is now back above all key moving average, and yesterday it made a strong gap up with high volume. So we believe this is a sign that the buying interest and buying momentum could actually persist and might actually continue to trade above to continue to trade within the uptrend channel. And if you look at the other side, it is been trending upward, and yesterday it shows a fresh uptick. So this is a sign of improvement momentum. And if you look at the ADX reading, even though it seems like it is converging, but then the ADX has just made a bullish crossover, which means that the sentiment has shifted back to bullish. So we believe as long price maintains within this uptrend channel, it might actually test our next resistance at 0.605. And lastly, we have for today is Pekka Group Berhad. So Pekka is actually poised to continue its primary uptrend, as it just completed its inverted head and shoulder pattern yesterday. And yesterday, if you look at the volume, it has increased. So we believe a breakout above this pattern is imminent. And if a breakup occurs, this could actually continue its primary uptrend since July 2024 low. If you look at the MACD reading, it has stopped declining and now slowly sloping upward again, and has returned to the positive reading, which is a good sign that buy momentum could actually persist. And if you look at the RSI, it has slowly showing an upward trajectory, indicates that momentum is gradually shifting in favor of the bulls. So we believe as price is also back above all key moving average lines, bullish sentiment is back and might test our next resistance at 1.60.